What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make sure your Windows is updated on your computer. Well, let's get into it. All right, so here we are on the Windows 11 desktop. What you're going to do is come down to the Windows search bar and you're going to type in Windows Update. And then you're going to see check for updates right here. You're going to click on it, wait for it to load up. I'm up to date, but if you aren't up to date, you're going to go ahead and click on check for updates. You're going to let that load up. Give it a few minutes and it's going to show you all the updates that your computer needs, both system critical updates and optional updates. You don't need to install all the optional ones, but if anything says .NET or Microsoft, you probably should install it. And then another thing I will say is don't go installing it if it's 9 a.m. in the morning or maybe it's 11 a.m. on a work day, because it could take like an hour, maybe an hour and a half, depending on how long it has been since you last did your Windows updates, to actually update your computer. My recommendation is to do it at 5 p.m. or right when you get off of work. But this has been how to check your Windows for updates. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section, and then make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to take it easy.